Take these 3 home remedies and all open pores will disappear from your skin forever. Skin pores are like small pits on the face that appear like an orange peel, and this looks so ugly. These pores cause the face to look dull and aged. The pores can also lead to complications like blackheads and acne, which mar the way you look. Factors like stress, genetics, and unhealthy skincare also give rise to open pores. The skin loses its elasticity as you age, making the condition worse. There are many ways to minimize the occurrence of skin pores. 1. Aloe vera for skin pores. You will need aloe vera gel. Apply some aloe vera gel on the pores and massage for a few minutes. Preferably, use fresh aloe vera gel for this. Let the aloe gel sit on your skin for 10 minutes. Then, rinse with cool water. Applying aloe vera gel every day will soon shrink your pores. Moisturizing the face with aloe vera helps to shrink large pores. The gel cleanses and nourishes the skin and removes oil and dirt from the clogged pores. 2. Egg white for skin pores. You will need 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Take the egg white and mix it with the oatmeal and lemon juice. Make an even paste. Apply the paste on your face and keep it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Apply the paste twice a week for beautiful skin. Egg white tightens and tones the skin, which helps in shrinking the enlarged pores. Egg masks are excellent remedies for open pores and can also be used to treat virulent forms of acne. 3. Apple cider vinegar for skin pores. You will need 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon water, cotton ball. Dilute apple cider vinegar in water. Dip the cotton ball in this and apply the vinegar to the face. Let it air dry. Use apple cider vinegar as a skin toner every day. Apple cider vinegar is known to cleanse the skin and also shrink the pores. It acts as a toner and tightens your skin. It also reduces any inflammation.